All right, so all done. This job really takes longer to get the car up in the air and down than it does to actually do this install itself. Really simple, really straightforward. You've got all those 8mm that are all secure in place, and you can look now and you can see that your oil cooler is actually protected where it was completely unprotected before. So, you know, we're going to run into something like that on the freeway again. It's not going to be a problem this time. All right, so go ahead and put your car back down. You're good to go.
All right, all done. And like I mentioned earlier, it's going to take you longer to get your car in the air than it is to do the actual job. So, dozen or so 8mm screws, and you have a degree of protection you didn't have before. If you have a car with a low mounted oil cooler like that, I don't know why you wouldn't run a product like this. It doesn't make sense. I install it on every car that I can get my hands on, and you should too. Thank you for Matt for making such a fantastic product that's so easy to work with. I highly recommend it, and you should get this installed in your M5 today. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.